Welcome to episode number 121. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta. I hope you all are doing great in your life and welcome to today's episode. Today's Sunday. So happy Sunday to everyone. If you are new to this channel is all about helping you to reach to at your highest goal and to be the one who you are. So it's all about how you can raise your vibration to the second level and to be the person that you are. My purpose to this podcast and to my YouTube channel is #remove your label that the people have put it on you in some or other way. Just remove it off and be the one who you are. This is Christmas week. So what is exciting you all are doing out there? And if you do not have any kind of the plans and you feel that this pandemic year you're gonna do something exciting, here are the 5 things that I would love you all to do in this Christmas. It's a festival where you believe, where you have faith, where you feel like you can do something great and amazing, where you feel that it's joyful. So what is the thing that you are gonna do in this Christmas? 5 things that I feel that you all must do in this Christmas for sure. One is love for the nature. You either can plant a tree, you can just celebrate a birthday as how you do it for Jesus. So this is the birth of a God. In the same way, why not to give a birth to a little plant? Plant the seed and see the difference. Keep that seed a name of your fun or joy. It can be anything that you want to keep. So keep a name for that seed so that you can celebrate it every year. See this difference. Second is shed out all your clothes. That means I want you all to recycle your clothes. That means give out your old clothes which you do not feel like wearing it off, or you feel like it doesn't fit you even if it is new. Just give it to somebody else. It would be like helping them to make their Christmas Eve in a great way. Be third and the most important thing, be with your loved ones, a person with whom you really love. You feel like they are the part of your family. Please do not socialize during this Christmas and be with your loved ones. That's what a small and a sweet message that I can give to. Next is to enjoy with your family. Enjoy can be in a form of playing games, creating some memories together, and that's what you can generate energies within your family. It's very important to have energy around you and to have that memory. So whatever memories you do, click a photo frame and see it how beautifully you have celebrated your Christmas. Next is put intention for the next year. When you sow that seed, just put an intention in the form of like you want to do something, you want to achieve this year something, you want to do something for the society. Anything can be taken in this intention. The next and the 6th, that is a bonus that I want to give. Pray to the God and give gratitude that whatever you have is much more, and you are currently in a right place where you really want it to be. So hope you love these 5 amazing points and tips that you can use during this Christmas to make your Christmas a joyful thing. So just do it and feel the emotion. If you loved this episode, please do share with your family and friends. Do subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.